Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a...
One afternoon, Halok was playing while his grandmother was collecting firewood near the jungle. Suddenly, a terrifying wild wolf came out from the bushes.
Halok! Help me! Help me! Even though he was scared, Halok did not run away. He bravely stood in front of the animal and started shouting loudly.
Seeing Halok's courage, the wolf got scared and ran back into the jungle. Seeing Halok's courage, the leopard got scared and ran back into the jungle.
If you weren't here, I wouldn't have survived today.
I will never leave you alone, Grandma.
From that day on, everyone in the village knew Halok, a black boy, as the bravest boy.